Good morning, children. Today we take up Supplementary Reader Moments Lesson 1, The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand. The Lost Child, written by Mulk Raj Anand, is the story about a little boy who goes to the village fair with his parents. The story highlights the bond of love and affection that the child shares with them. The child gets separated from his parents when he gets engrossed in looking at a roundabout swing. Before he got lost, he had been demanding different things like sweets, balloons, flowers, swings. But now, when he is picked up and consoled by a stranger who offers to buy the child a balloon, a garland, and sweets, the child refuses to have any of those things. The story revolves around the little boy who gets separated from his parents at the end of the story. During the spring festival, people from different villages are seen to be walking towards a central place where a fair is being held. They are brightly clad and seem happy to be going to the fair. The little boy is playful during the long walk. He stops now and then to admire the toys. His father knows that his son wants them, but he simply refuses to comply with his wishes. His mother knows that he is disappointed. She diverts his attention by making him look at a mustard field where there is a lot of activity. There are dragonflies, bees, and butterflies to make the boy go after them. The boy has to be called again and again in order to drag him away from all that stops him from moving ahead. He once more lags behind when he comes across insects and slithery worms on the side of the footpath he is walking on. His parents wait for him under the shade of a grove where they had seated themselves on the edge of a well. As he runs towards them, a shower of young flowers fell upon the child. He starts collecting the raining petals, but soon lets go of them when he hears cooing of gentle-looking doves. Father has to pick up the child in his arms to tear him away from his fascination. They reach the main fairgrounds. There are multitudes of people and the boy does not like it very much. He can hear a man calling out to purchase sweetmeats from him. He knows his father won't buy anything if he asked. He sees gulmohar flowers with a flower seller. There is a balloon seller and a snake charmer. The boy never stops anywhere for a long time, but when he reaches the roundabout, he speaks out his wish to have a ride on it. But by this time he had lost track of his parents. He had unknowingly moved away from them. He cries out for them and looks everywhere. They are not to be seen anywhere. A stranger wants to buy all that the boy wanted to divert his attention, but the boy sobs uncontrollably and there is only the cry of father and mother on his lips. Now let's look at some of the word meanings given here. Receding, to move away and begin to disappear. Lingering, lasting for a long time. Gaily, happily, cheerfully. Teeming out, to pour out or empty out. Throngs, a large crowd of people. Converging, gathering. Reiterated, to repeat an opinion. Grub, a small group of trees. Disconsolate, extremely unhappy. Sweetmeat, an item of confectionery or sweet food. Thank you.